Aloha, buenos dias, natataiak. What's good, everybody? It's your boy JRE. A little bit under the weather, but you know, nothing that can stop me from checking out NMIXX. You know, ever since that moment.
But we couldn't see your reaction video.
Because I've been traumatized and I'll never miss one ever again. Unless I did miss one. No, some of them I checked out on Twitch, which you should follow my Twitch, by the way. It's been popping. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. NMIXX Young, Dumb, and Stupid MV just came out, and I'm definitely gonna be checking it out. I hear good things already from it too. If you guys didn't know, I did do a collab with them. I got to play Switch Sports with them, which was really fun. And I think I have more extra footage that I might upload to Dre Day, which you guys should go subscribe to.
He got an X, so that joint is old school.
It's a brand new channel that has 2 amazing videos already on there: the TXT interview and Christian Yu Q&A as well. I'm probably gonna upload some behind the scenes footage with NMIXX over there pretty soon, probably hopefully within the week. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. We got captions. Should we do 4K? Can my computer handle 4K? Sometimes my computer can't handle 4K and it's just like, well, that's during streaming. It should be fine now. Anyways, in 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
Turn it up, man. Can you hit it right now?
Oh, off the bat? Off the bat, Jiwoo?
Turn it up, man. Can you hit it right now?
Oh, I like the simplicity of the beat already. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, let's go, Lily. Cute ass hat. Dang, throw a punch? What is that, a strike? Okay. Damn, I have never seen a live that said Max. Okay, Miss Ma'am, let's go, babe. Okay. You got a new package, Amazon? Oh, virtual reality with the glasses. Ah, whoa. What is this, lullaby? No, not lullaby, it's a rhyme. What is that again? No. Something. Young, dumb, stupid. But who cares? Ding, dang, dong. Oh, imagination is crazy with virtual reality. Aw, adorable. What? Very playful beat, earwormy, like I expected. Let's go. Attitude. Oh. Damn, you gonna throw the a brand new glasses like that? Okay, we see it. Wait, where'd your glasses go? How you seeing just the butterflies by itself? Transition shots with the glasses, I see. Okay, the chorus. Young, dumb, stupid. Young, dumb, stupid. Who cares? Very catchy. Already in my head. Na. What is that lullaby? Hedgen.
Huh?
What is this? Do you know the song? The rhyme goes. Da na 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 da na 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 da na 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 da na 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 ba ba ba.
Yes, sir, 3 back. Baba black sheep,
Have you any wool? Yes, sir. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm tripping. Bye bye black sheep, bye bye black sheep, haven't any wool. I'm reaching. Is it? Oh, this is gonna kill me. This is gonna like tear me. Ooh, okay. Hey. Yes, ma'am. Ding, dang, dong. Ooh, the edit though. Okay, let's go, Jiwoo. Oh, they ready. They ready to fight. They got the right weapons. Oh. Okay, I hear you. I hear you in the back. Hitting them notes. Ooh, hey. Ooh, I can't hit that. Oh, it's cute. I already see a lot of like dancer friends already on this trend. Ding Dang Dong with the choreo is actually kind of catchy. I was gonna talk about like, really? Ding Dang Dong? But as like a whole package. Ooh, nice finish too. She's like, what? And? Out of everybody's like posing. She's like, As you should, Miss Ma'am. Young, dumb, stupid. Is it Baba Black Sheep? Am I tripping? I have to look this up now. Oh, they have behind the scenes too. Okay, bet. I was just really waiting for the end to see if there's anything more. Okay, is it? Wait, comments, please save me. Ferejaka, dormez-vous, something, bagels. Talk about Lily's high note though. Ooh. Even the contain. Ooh, oh, it's so, yeah, it's adorable. Oh, and she's still continuing in the back. I like how it ends too. Nothing abruptly, just like nice. Okay, NMIXX doing your thing. Young, dumb, stupid. Bro, I was struggling to figure out what. Can you do it? You can get the rights of that, right? I guess it's an old enough song to read. NMIXX, Young, Dumb, Stupid. Very hella upbeat with a catchy chorus that's gonna probably get in people's minds, whether you like it or not. It's just one of those that, you know, everybody knows the tune of that. Young, dumb, stupid, but who cares? It's interesting seeing how NMIXX is going through different, how they're dealing with different concepts as well. Put a comments down below what you guys think of NMIXX's Young, Dumb, Stupid. Again, I do feel a little bit under the weather a little bit, so I'm probably gonna be sleeping after editing this and uploading it. Follow the Discord, link in the description. We just had a Mario Kart night, community night, and it was so fun. I got third place. I'm not that bad, and I'm not that bad at Mario Kart. I got my hours in. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, go follow it. All right, y'all. Like this video, share this video, subscribe, and it's your boy JRE. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.